Join me as I dive deep into the world of MSFT stock and try to figure out what's really going on with it right now. Microsoft's stock performance has been a topic of interest for many investors, and for good reason. The company has been a major player in the tech industry for decades, and its stock has historically been a stable investment. MSFT stock is facing some tough challenges in the current market. Market volatility has been a major issue, with the stock experiencing significant fluctuations in recent months. The tech sector is also becoming increasingly competitive, with new players emerging and established companies like Apple and Amazon vying for dominance. One of the biggest challenges facing MSFT stock is the rise of cloud computing. While Microsoft has made significant strides in this area with its Azure platform, it still lags behind Amazon's AWS in terms of market share. This has put pressure on Microsoft's stock price, as investors worry about the company's ability to keep pace with its competitors. The competition in the tech sector isn't limited to cloud computing. Microsoft is also facing challenges in areas like artificial intelligence, gaming, and hardware. The company's recent struggles in these areas have raised concerns among investors, contributing to the stock's volatility. To make matters worse, the overall market has been experiencing significant volatility, which has impacted MSFT stock. The ongoing trade tensions, interest rate changes, and other macroeconomic factors have created a challenging environment for investors. Microsoft's recent earnings reports have been closely watched by investors, and for good reason. The company's financial performance has been strong, with revenue growth driven by its cloud and productivity businesses. However, the company's guidance has been somewhat cautious, citing challenges in areas like the global economy and trade tensions. The company's news events have also had an impact on its stock price. For example, Microsoft's recent announcement about its plans to acquire a major software company had a significant impact on its stock price. Investors are closely watching the company's every move, and any major news event can cause significant fluctuations in the stock price. In addition to its earnings reports and news events, investors are also keeping a close eye on Microsoft's key financial indicators. The company's debt-to-equity ratio, for example, has been a concern for some investors, as it has increased significantly in recent years. A critical insight that could change the outlook for MSFT stock moving forward is the company's growing presence in emerging technologies like AI and machine learning. Microsoft has made significant investments in these areas, and its Azure platform is well positioned to benefit from the growing demand for cloud-based AI and ML services. The company's AI and ML capabilities have the potential to drive significant revenue growth, and investors are eagerly awaiting the company's next earnings report to see if this growth is materializing. If Microsoft can demonstrate strong growth in these areas, it could be a major catalyst for the stock. MSFT stock has been on a wild ride in recent months, but one thing is clear: the company's future success will depend on its ability to innovate and adapt to changing market trends. If Microsoft can continue to execute on its vision, it could be a great investment opportunity for those looking for a stable and growing stock. The company's ability to navigate the challenges facing it will be critical to its future success. If Microsoft can overcome these challenges, it could be well positioned for long-term growth. In summary, MSFT stock is facing significant challenges, but the company has a strong foundation and a clear vision for the future. Its growing presence in emerging technologies like AI and ML could be a major catalyst for growth. What do you think about MSFT stock? Leave your thoughts in the comments below. If you're interested in learning more about other tech stocks, be sure to check out my analysis on Apple, Amazon, and Alphabet. I'd love to hear your thoughts on those too.